Today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is How to Get Banned from Planet Fitness.
Nudie Beauty was wild in the shower when officers decided to join in.
I started at 6, and the people that were working before me said she's been in the
It's a clever intro.
since 4 o'clock this morning. I went in there and I asked her to leave a couple of times, told her she was trespassing. She doesn't have a membership. And I told her security was outside earlier, and she told me to off.
Is there any other females in here right now?
I'll check.
Okay. All right,
So she's been asked to leave by an employee, told she was trespassing, and she's refused to leave. Yeah. So what do we have?
Trespassing.
Okay. Trespassing what degree?
So she's actually in the shower. She's been in there.
She's in there right now?
She's the only one in
The
there.
water running too?
Yeah.
She has responded to you though?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, police coming in.
It looks like a screen, so.
Yeah, there's a curtain on there. Yeah.
Is she standing?
I don't want to look in there.
I see.
Is it around this way?
Yeah.
Scam Police Department.
Police.
For audio video recording.
So the police are here. Okay. If you want to get dressed, and now you can leave.
Ma'am, go ahead and get dressed for us, please, so we can get you out of here.
Sure.
We're gonna give you some time. All right, we're gonna be in here, but we'll be off to the side. So if you need to reach out, if you're in driving club, go ahead. Okay, we're not watching.
Just like I don't want her being in there or something, and to be liable for it.
Oh, yeah, right. Ma'am, are you getting dressed? Ma'am?
Hey there.
Ma'am? If you do not get ready to leave, you're going to be placed
getting
under
them
arrest for
gloves
trespassing,
on.
okay? You understand? Ma'am? Ma'am?
Hey, can you hear us? Are you having a medical emergency or anything?
Ma'am? Are you okay? See your feet.
Hey, can you talk to us? What?
See we're right in there.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you talk to us, ma'am? Do you need medical attention? Ma'am, you're going to be placed under arrest for trespassing, okay?
Since the Barbie was making no attempt to dress herself, the officers were forced to intervene.
We're going to be going in and grabbing you, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am.
You're under arrest.
I'm gonna finish rincing.
You need to step out.
I answer. Okay.
You're
please.
under arrest.
Okay. I'm not trespassing. I paid to be here. First of all,
You've been asked
let
for
go.
hours.
To leave.
You're under arrest.
Come on.
I have not been here for hours.
That's-
Absolutely not.
Ma'am,
You're
stop.
being
Let go of me now. Excuse me. I will get dressed.
21.
I have not been here for hours. I've been in here for 15 minutes.
You're under arrest.
Ma'am, you're under arrest, okay?
I am naked as.
I know you are. So are you gonna put some clothes on?
Absolutely. Back the up.
Okay.
Where's your lieutenant?
I don't have a lieutenant.
Don't.
Ma'am,
clothes
stop.
Can I
Just get
please
you
get
dressed,
dressed?
okay?
There you go.
No, can you get these officers out?
Ma'am.
Now, I have been here for 15 minutes. I paid to be here.
So that's not in dispute right now. What's in dispute is you getting dressed. You-
Absolutely. Excuse you.
Put some clothes on.
Get out.
Put some clothes on now.
I am law
You're under
enforcement.
arrest.
Excuse me.
Put clothes on
I am law enforcement. I will have your badge.
Okay, put some clothes on now.
Lieutenant,
Please get dressed.
now. Chief,
Put
you're
clothes
on.
on.
I will. Get out.
Put clothes on.
You will be arrested for sexual
I like
harassment.
that.
Let go now.
Please get dressed.
Let go now.
Get dressed.
Now.
Get dressed.
I will have all of your badges. Oh, you just got the call? For sure. I suggest you take your officers the out now.
Please get dressed.
I suggest you take your officers out now.
We've been polite. Please get dressed. No more discussion.
Damn, they don't want to have to get her together Oh man, they don't want to have to get her together naked, man. Got flapjacks all over the place. She's wet, slimy. Come on, guys don't want to have to do this, man. Just please get dressed for everyone's sake, man.
Please put some clothes on. This doesn't have to be any more embarrassing for all of us.
You're gonna be the one embarrassed, all three of you. Chief of Police? You know who that is?
You keep getting dressed, we'll be patient, but if you stop and keep yelling, then we'll just
You
keep
piece
yelling.
of I have your badge. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Back the up.
You can't go to that bag.
I'm going it. I'm gonna do exactly what the chief of police said. You know what, mother?
This is exactly what they do not want to have to do.
Ma'am, you're under arrest for trespassing.
I'm gonna sit here until your lieutenant gets here, so I can get some clothes on.
Can we try to slip on those sweatpants on the top or a jacket if she has one handy?
Yeah.
If you walk me out naked,
No one's gonna do that.
you just put your hands all over me because I grabbed my clothes.
Oh no, because you assaulted me.
I am law enforcement.
Okay.
I'm not putting that on. I'm gonna sit. I paid to be here.
Okay. I can talk to you after I read you your rights, okay?
Read me my rights for what?
Well, you're under arrest.
Thank you. Can you help me get dressed and remove these other officers for a minute, please?
I can try to help you get dressed. What would you like me to do?
Can I get dressed, please?
What, do you want to slip some pants on first, probably?
If I have to ask one more time. Are you the lieutenant?
No, he's
We
not.
have the fire department waiting, we'd like to get you dressed.
Are you the lieutenant going through my bag?
No, he's not. I'm an officer. I'm trying to think of what's the best way to get her.
We need her cooperation. to get dressed.
That's
what we need.
Yeah.
Do you understand that, ma'am?
I'm gonna wait for the chief. Or do it this officer.
Okay. Sergeant is coming because we had to use force because you assaulted an officer and you resisted. And so we'd like to get you dressed before we leave here, but we need your cooperation with that. We tried that previously and you began taking a shower again. I don't want to do that again.
Though the officers couldn't get her dressed to impress, they did enough so she could walk out to the patrol car with her dignity somewhat intact.
Your dad's a cop?
No.
He's a CO? Cincinnati State Prison?
I'm not even doing this right, so
No.
we're going to call it good.
No, we're not calling it yet. Put him off straightly.
He doesn't know how to do it.
Listen, come on. Guys don't know how to do that, man. Guys don't know how to do that. It's hard enough, trying to when you get intimate with a woman and you want to unbuckle the thing, you got the little knob or the little hooks in the back, man. Come on, man. You got to push it together to snap it off and all. Come on, guys. Come on. They didn't make them things, I remember as a young buck, them things were super hard to deal with. You know what I mean? Shoot, whatever. But anyway, man, listen, guys don't know how to do all that now. Come on, we're going to throw a little jacket on you, zip you up, put a little, and call it a day. That's about it.
Try to zip this up for you. Do you want to put shoes on?
Now I can put shoes on.
That way we can walk you outside.
Oh, I get assaulted. But
Alright, we're gonna walk you out. We're gonna come back and get all your stuff, okay? We got to get another bag to put the stuff in, okay? Yeah, turn around, okay? Thank you.
if you are trying
You're not injured at all?
to... Yeah, these mother put their hands all over me.
Okay, what's your injuries? Where are you hurt?
I'm not injured at all.
Okay.
I suggest you don't do that again.
We don't want you to go out. It's freezing cold
I
outside.
don't give a
Okay.
What do you care? It's freezing cold.
Well, you're
You just snatched me up at naked.
Yeah, I did. Do you want to answer?
AJ's in there some and I'm in here taking a shower.
Okay.
You want it? You okay?
Do you want to?
Lieutenant Fisher?
Thanks for the promotion. Do you want to help them?
Amanda, what's your last name?
Did you ask him who I am?
No, I did not ask him that.
Go for it.
Ma'am, do you have anything sharp in your pockets?
Does it look like I have anything sharp in my pockets? You just pulled my naked out of the shower disrespectfully as
Were those jackets checked at least before we put them on?
you can open the door.
Can you check the stuff you did?
Yep.
For sure, check it out.
Okay. Just work on the
You get
pockets.
good on that? Yeah. You like my make you feel good? Are you checking my
Okay.
Didn't you just put my pants on just now? Yeah? Cicinella? He just got lieutenant. If I transport with these I have your back. You better believe that.
We're also audio video recording.
Good.
So just.
Absolutely.
Yep.
I'm talking to him right now.
You have the right to remain silent.
Sir,
Anything you
can
say
you tell him to back the up?
in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have it present with you
memberships.
while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be to understand each of these rights I've
Should call
explained
it
to
over
you.
the radio.
Do you understand?
Did you really just read me my Miranda rights on a trespass? Did you?
You're under arrest.
Did you check the computer system? Tell me.
Do you understand those
Did
rights?
you check the computer system?
All right, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Do you understand your rights?
The answer is no. Shut the door, bro.
A melamine pipe was also recovered from her jacket, and the 37-year-old female was charged with attempted assault, criminal trespassing, and resisting arrest. YouTube thinks
Oh boy, you guys, man, you got some real characters out there. I'm telling you, this is. I'm sure these officers didn't wake up and be like, "Man, I want to wrestle around with a wet, slimy, naked woman today." You can't make this stuff up, man. You cannot make it up. Anyway, overall, I think the officers did the best that they could. I mean, they gave them some time to do what she wanted to do. She wanted to play games, so they had to get her together. It's as simple as that. So anyway, 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm gonna catch you in the next video.